Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options, the Sweetcrispy and the SMUG ice makers. Both promise to deliver 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them ideal for home kitchens, offices, and parties. We'll dive into their features, efficiency, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy ice maker is priced at $69, making it a more affordable option for budget-conscious buyers. On the other hand, the SMUG ice maker is priced at $79, which may be justified by its additional features. Let's see if the price difference reflects in their performance and features. Both the Sweetcrispy and SMUG ice makers boast an impressive capability of producing 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes. This efficiency makes them perfect for gatherings or quick refreshment needs. However, we will also look into their ice production capacity over a 24-hour period, where Sweetcrispy produces 26.5 pounds and SMUG produces 26 pounds, showing that both are quite comparable in this aspect. In terms of features, the Sweetcrispy ice maker comes with a scoop, basket, and handle, providing everything you need to get started. Meanwhile, the SMUG ice maker offers an auto-cleaning feature, which adds convenience for users who want to maintain their machine effortlessly. This could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize ease of use and maintenance. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and SMUG countertop ice makers have their unique strengths. The Sweetcrispy offers a lower price point and essential features, while the SMUG provides added convenience with its auto-cleaning function. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.